In this video, the objective is to learn how to find the place value of a digit in a whole number. So, let's start by understanding what is a whole number. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Natural numbers. So don't confuse whole numbers with natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Now, let's say the distance from Earth to Mercury is 48337,000. Now, let's give these digits a place value. Let's start with the zeros. So the first 0 is under the ones place value. The second 0 is under the tens. The third 0 is under the hundreds, 7 thousands. 3 under the 10,000s place value. The 3 is under the 100,000s place value. Don't confuse these two numbers. 3 and 3, they are the same, but they are under a different place value. Now, the 8 is under the millions place value, and the 4 is under the 10 millions place value. And we can go on up to 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Now, let's try finding the place value of the digit 3. So find the place value of the digit 3 in each whole number. So here we have some examples we will be working with. Now, let's start with the first one. The first one is 396, 418. We always use a comma after every 3 digits. It helps you separate and see where the place value of digits fall under. Now, let's find the place value of the digit 3. Let's start from 8. Let's go from right to left. I always go from right to left. So let's start from 8. The 8 is under the ones. The 1 is under the tens. 4 hundreds. 6 thousands. The 9 is under the 10,000s place value. And the digit 3 is under the 100,000s place value. So the place value of the digit 3 is 100,000s. Let's try another example. 93192. Let's start from left to right. You can repeat after me so you can start to memorize the sequence. So we start with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the place value of the digit 3 in this whole number is under the thousands place value. So let's write down the thousands. Next, 5, 3, 4, 2, 7, 5, 8, 6, 6. Once again, let's start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. So the place value of the digit 3 is under the 10 millions place value. Now, you can pause the video and try these ones by yourself. Now, find the place value of the digit 8. The first whole number consists of 38760,005. Once again, let's start from right, go towards the left side. The 5 is under the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and the 8 is under the millions place value. Now, the next whole number is 6 7, 8, 9, 0. We start from ones, tens, hundreds. So the place value of the digit 8 is under the hundreds place value. Now, here's another example. 481922. Let's find the place value of the digit 8 once. Again, we start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So the place value of the digit 8 is under the 10,000s. One of the tip I always suggest is to learn the place values, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, and so on. That will really help you finding the place value of a digit. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, learn something new every day.